lovelies, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and what better way to celebrate than with some adorable festive nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a super cute and easy press-on nail look that's perfect for V-Day. So here's what you'll need: cuticle remover, top coat, nail glue, acetone to remove any old nail polish, nail file machine, cuticle pusher, and some cuticle oil. In an effort to make these look as natural or as salon quality as possible, we're gonna prep those nails before we pop these on. First, prep your natural nails by pushing back your cuticles and gently buffing the surface. Then you want to use an alcohol prep pad and just wipe away the residue. These nails are not only gorgeous, but also super convenient. You can apply them in minutes. These nails came already done. I really don't have to do much with them. Then apply a thin layer of nail dehydrator to your natural nails and let it dry. All you really need is your nail glue to pop these babies on and go. Apply a small amount of nail glue to the back of each press-on nail and carefully press it onto your natural nail. Hold it in place for a few seconds to ensure it adheres perfectly. Once you're done applying all your nails, all I'm gonna do now is add some cuticle oil to my cuticles to give them a bit of moisture. You don't even need to add top coat to this. They do already have a pretty good shine. And there you have it, a super cute and easy Valentine's Day press-on nails. These nails are perfect for any Valentine's Day celebration, whether you're going out for a romantic dinner or just staying in for a cozy night. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like to get this particular nail set, I'll have it linked in my description. And be sure to tag me in your photos if you end up getting these nails. Thanks for watching.